knowledge management component of IWDMS 2.0 enables the saving documents in secure repository in electronic format. We can create various kind of repositories for different departments. Further, we can publish for different user in safe and secure way. To access this application, users can open the web portal by opening the URL https://iwdms2.gujarat.gov.in. User is required to fill the user credentials such as username and password, along with the captcha code, and click on the login button to log into the system. Upon successful login, the user will be redirected to the dashboard of the IWDMS 2.0. In order to access the knowledge management system, user can click on Others menu and click on Knowledge Management option. The Knowledge Management home page appears. Here the user can see the list of created repositories in the knowledge management. Click the Next button to see the next page, if more repositories are available. Let's now learn how to create a new repository. Locate and click on the Create Repository option from the left pane. The Create Repository page appears as shown here. User can enter all relevant details such as title, author, source of document, etc., as shown here. In the display level option, the user can select any one of the options such as department or HOD, private, global, or interdepartmental or HOD. Based on the selection, the next field will change. For example, if the user selects department or HOD option, then the next field will be changed to a drop-down menu to select the department and the branch the repository refers to. If this document is to be displayed with other selected department, then the user should select interdepartmental or HOD option and then click on the interdepartmental or HOD button. This will open another browser tab and a selection page appears. Enter few letters of the department in the Select Department or HOD text box and the department name will appear as shown here. Click on the Add button to add the selected department to the list below. Once the entries are over, click on the Save button to continue. Now the selected department is added to the Departments HOD box, as shown here. After all entries are over, the user can attach the document using any of these options. Attach file from local drive. Attach file from e-file. Attach file from my drive. Select the file and click on the Add link to upload the selected file. Click on the Create Repository button to save the details. The entered repository is saved and a success message will appear. After successful creation, user can click on the View Repository option to view the created repository. The View Repository page appears as shown here. It shows the list of folders or department which holds corresponding repositories or branch. Click on the department to view its details, for example, the department name Science and Technology. Now, the user is redirected to the Science and Technology repository page, where it lists all corresponding folders or branch. Click on any of the folder to view the related repositories stored. In our case, we have stored our repository under Science and Technology and ITS branch. By clicking on the IT folder, user can see the different repositories created, as shown here. Click on any of the listed repository to open it. A new browser tab is now opened showing the details of the knowledge repository created. User can perform actions like download, print, resize or zoom the document using the options provided, as shown here. User can also update or delete the repository created by clicking on the respective buttons provided below. By clicking on the Update button, the user can do more actions such as add document from a file, add document from my drive, and delete document. Once the user completes with the updating activity, click on the Publish button to publish the updated knowledge repository. My Document is another option provided by the knowledge repository system to list all documents created by the user. Click on the My Document option from the left menu pane to open the My Document page, as shown here. The user will be redirected to the list of repository created by the user. The user can open the respective file by clicking on it. My Drive is another option provided by the knowledge management system to store files which can be shared with other users as well. Click on the My Drive option from the left menu pane to open the My Drive page. The user will be redirected to the list of repositories created by the user or shared with other users, as shown here. In our example, there are two different folders. The first folder is created by the user and the other one is shared by other officer. Click on the folder created by the user. Another page opens with a list of repositories created by the user. The user is provided with buttons to add folder, add document, share folder, document, view, remove sharing and delete. In order to share a document or file with other users, user can click on the checkbox and click on the Share Folder Document button. A sharing pop-up appears and enter few letters of the other user's name, and select the name or designation. Then click on the Add button to add the names in the list and click on the Share button to share. The selected file will be shared with the other selected users. The user can also remove sharing by clicking on the checkbox of the file and select the View, Remove Sharing button, and select the users. Click on the Remove button to remove the sharing. The knowledge repository is also provided with an advanced search option to search knowledge repositories within the system. Click on the Advanced Search option from the left menu pane. Here the user can search different type of repositories by title, author, publisher, status, department, HOD, or keyword. User can fill the search criteria in the fields available on the screen and click on Search button to search documents. The search result will appear as shown here. User can click on the listed file for further actions. We have learned how to use the IWDMS 2.0 knowledge management system.